Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how we can add additional language to our Google Chrome. So you want to know how to do it? Let's get started. For that, let's just open Google Chrome. And now I will be clicking here. At upper right corner, there will be a three dot. You need to click here. And then you need to click on settings. Now we are in settings and here just you need to type language and here we go. Now from here I can define which language I want as a default language for my Google Chrome. I have installed 5 languages and I also can add new language from here. For example, Dutch and add. So adding language is that simple and won't take even 5 seconds to add another one. Now, only thing we need to do is we need to click on option again, which is shown here with the help of 3 dots. And you need to click on first option, which says that display Google Chrome in this language. Now, just I need to relaunch. Now you can see our default language as Dutch. I hope guys this video might help you in order to know how we can add additional language to our Google Chrome and how we can set it as a default. Please do let us know how do you feel about this process, and if you have got any comment or any suggestion, please do let us know in comment down below. And if you like this video, then I would suggest you to subscribe to our channel for this kind of content. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.